I turned this photo into a coloring page for my niece, and it was way easier than I expected. I'm watching her this weekend and wanted something fun we could do together that wasn't just more screen time. So today, I'm gonna show you how I use Microsoft Copilot to transform personal photos into custom coloring pages in just a few steps. I'm Christine from Microsoft. Let's get started. Before I jump into Copilot, I wanna pick a photo that will actually turn into a good coloring page and be something my niece will enjoy. So I'm gonna open up my photos in OneDrive and look for something that's simple and easy to recognize. What tends to work best are photos with a clear subject, good contrast, and not too many tiny details, since those can get messy when you turn them into outlines. For example, something like this works really well. It has a strong shape, it's not too busy, and it'll be easy to color. Something like this, on the other hand, might get a little too detailed, so the final result can feel a bit cluttered. I'm gonna go with this one. Now for the fun part. In the Copilot app, upload the photo and actually transform it into a coloring page image. I'll type a clear, specific prompt for best results. Something like, turn this image into a simple black and white coloring page with clean outlines, minimal shading, and clear edges. In just a few seconds, Copilot generates a version of the image that removes the color, simplifies the details, and turns everything into clean, defined outlines. If needed, you can continue to refine your image with follow-up prompts like, simplify the image further and make the outlines thicker and easier to color. Work with Copilot to get the image exactly how you want it, experimenting with different styles depending on who it's for. Now that I have my first image settled, I want to create a few more so she has some options to choose from. I can reuse the same prompt and just swap in different photos, which makes things really quick and easy. If you want to get a little extra creative, you can even ask Copilot to add a few playful but simple shapes in the background like stars or hearts to make your images even more fun and custom. I'll quickly generate a few different versions. And now I have a small set of custom coloring pages all created for my own photos. Next, I want to turn these images into a fun little coloring book, something I can actually print out and have my niece use. So I'm going to bring these into Word and start building out a simple booklet. I want this to feel personal, so I'm going to click to edit with Copilot and ask, add a new title page to the beginning of this document for a coloring book called Color with Katie. Make it cute, styled for a little girl who loves flowers and dogs. Copilot instantly adds this personalized new page right into the booklet for me. Here, I can print it out, staple it together, and it's ready for the weekend. She is going to love this. And just like that, I have a custom coloring book made with personal photos I know she's going to have so much fun with. It's something we can actually sit down and do together, and it feels way more special than anything I could have bought. For more simple and fun ways to use Copilot like this, follow along for new videos every week.